Welcome back from the break, Rams. I'm your Tuesday night weather anchor, Ren Wadsworth, here to tell you what you can expect in your weather for your last week of school before fall break. The weather has been fluctuating, but today it's settled on a cool and clear temperature of just around 60. The trees are shedding their leaves, and they aren't the only ones losing layers, as students at CSU today could be seen wearing shorts across campus. Taking a look at what the weather looks like right now that the sun has set, it has cooled down to just about 50 degrees. Moving into your night, you can expect just about 0% chance of rain and very little wind. If we take a look at the lows for tonight going down the I-25 corridor, 39 in Fort Collins, 42 degrees in Denver, 52 degrees in Colorado Springs, and 35 degrees in Pueblo. The southern side of the state is going to be very cold tonight, with the lows in Alamosa at 21 and Gunnison at 23. If we take a look at tomorrow, we can see that cold weather is going to pass into the day. It's going to be 50 degrees, which is what it is right now, so 10 degrees lower than it was today. As we move into the day, you can see that it's going to be about 80% chance of rain, and as you move into your night, that rain is going to quickly turn into snow. As we move on to tomorrow's highs for the state, it's going to be 50 degrees in Fort Collins, 51 degrees in Denver, moving down the I-25 corridor, 54 degrees in Colorado Springs, and 58 degrees in Pueblo. The plain side of the state is going to be a lot warmer than the mountain side of the state, but that's to be expected. As we look at our 5-day forecast for tomorrow, you can see that Wednesday is going to be about 50 degrees and snowy. Moving on to Thursday, that snow is going to keep on coming at 31 degrees. Friday is going to be 40 degrees, a little bit of snow in the morning. Saturday it's going to warm up again and it's going to be sunny. And on Sunday, that sun's going to keep on going and that weather's going to come on. If we move on to Friday, if you're expecting to fly out of the state on Friday, here is your fall flight forecast. Starting at 7 a.m., that snow is going to come in. Moving on to 10 a.m., it's going to disappear. That snow is going to disappear and the clouds are going to hang around. Moving on to 1 p.m., it's going to warm up a little bit with a high of 39. Moving on to 4 p.m., that sun's going to be persistent, and at 7 p.m., that sun's going to set and it's going to be cool and clear as you fly out of Colorado. So keep that in mind as you're planning your flights. That's all I have for you today, but if you're wondering what weather to expect over the fall break, tune in on Thursday, but don't go anywhere, because after the break, Ethan Bird and Sydney Wicker discuss how the CSU volleyball team is officially Mountain West champs, but they still have 2 more games to go before playoffs. Sydney and Ethan have your volleyball watch list in sports coming up next.